In this section, I show you how to create this t-shirt design that you see on the screen right now using some sample text by drawing rectangle and circle. Actually, designing this type of t-shirt is really easy, and using these techniques and with your creativity you will able to create much more fantastic t-shirt like this one. So without any further ado, let's start it. But before this, we need to know what type of design dimension and resolution Amazon likes. Now I am in Marked by Amazon Resources Best Practices page. Here you can see a section how to ensure your product design will look great. Here you can see they recommended to use CYMK color mode. You can also use RGB color mode. I think this is not an issue. Next one is resolution. Set your resolution at 300 dpi. And your design file size have to be less than 25 MB. Just keep that in mind. And the last one is document width and height. They prefer document width and height 15 by 18 inch. If you convert this inch to pixels, then your document width and height will be 4500 pixels by 5400 pixels. And here you can see they also prefer the transparent background of the design. Alright, so at first we create a blank document. To create this, click on File, New, and from this new document window, I set width 4500 pixels, set height 5400 pixels, and set resolution 300. Color mode, I just choose CMYK color and set background. This time I select black. Finally, I just simply hit on create. So our blank document is just created. From our next lecture, we will start designing our t-shirt.